Škoda Auto and regional partner and investor, the Thanh Group, officially opened a new production plant in Vietnam on the 26th of March for the assembly of Škoda Slavia and Kushaq cars. This marks a significant milestone in the brand's internationalization strategy, reinforcing its ambition to strengthen its presence beyond its European home market. By importing completely knocked-down kits of the Kushaq SUV from India and assembling them locally, Škoda is capitalizing on geographical synergies. The production program will expand in the summer to include the Slavia sedan, which will also be assembled from completely knocked-down kit sourced from India. Located in Quang Ninh province, the facility is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a welding shop, a paint shop, and a final assembly line. Škoda Auto launched operations in Vietnam in September 2023 and oversees the Volkswagen Group's activities in the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, a region with strong growth potential. Vietnam, one of the fastest developing markets in ASEAN, serves as a strategic gateway to the wider Indo-Pacific region. Since entering the Vietnamese market, 15 Škoda sales outlets have been opened and the network is planned to expand to 32 dealerships in 2025.